02, the fourth Concorde to fly, is an important and significant aeroplane. It's the first Concorde to be built to the production aircraft standard. It incorporates major aerodynamic development to give improved performance. But the first thing that strikes the eye about 02 as it takes off is that thanks to its Type 602 Olympus engines, Concorde has given up smoking. 2 years ago, this ground test compared prototype and 602 engine exhausts. The prototype engines certainly create a lot of smoke, as 001, the first Concorde, reminds us. It's true that these clouds of carbon particles are relatively innocuous, certainly far less harmful than the near invisible exhaust fumes from the millions of motor vehicles in our crowded cities. Nevertheless, the smoke trails do pollute the air, and they are seen to pollute it. Something had to be done about them. Something was done. A new annular combustion chamber was part of the answer to the problem. With 02, the problem has been solved. Just a shimmer of heat at full power, and the faintest haze as the aircraft takes off. And for comparison, 001. '02 again. The claim that Concorde in airline service will be virtually smoke-free is vindicated. And in case anyone thinks smoke is a problem peculiar to Concorde prototypes, this can be seen at international airports around the world today. Concorde 02 comes into land after one of its early test flights of nearly 4 hours duration. With hundreds of flying hours to its credit, 001 still has an important role to play in the test program. An important new design feature on 02, the TRA exhaust nozzles. Concorde 02 made its maiden flight on the 10th of January, 1973. In the weeks that followed, it rapidly completed flutter and other testing throughout the flight envelope up to Mach 2. 02 demonstrated this early in its career remarkably high standards of operational reliability, quite apart from showing off the smoke-free characteristics of the new engines. Within 6 weeks of first flight, 02 had made a non-stop flight of 3,700 miles, slightly longer than the Paris-New York sector distance, in a flight time of 3 hours and 27 minutes. It carried a full payload of 28,000 pounds and landed with 12 tons of fuel in reserve. In high-speed passes over the Toulouse airfield, 02 provides further convincing proof that the Concorde smoke problem is now a thing of the past. In the face of criticism of the prototype smoke emission, the manufacturers have always stated that the production standard Concorde will be one of the cleanest aircraft in service. 02 is flying proof that this design objective has been triumphantly achieved.